Ebushama yoma akwaba enfa mbra Ghana Sem TV GH mesra like, comment, subscribing, then notification so on so that anytime you post a video bit say we are Usambekebi. Ebushama we ye NPP near. Wa catch on say ejuma nesi. Yeah. Ejuma nesi. And the reason I'm saying ejuma nesi is say over a very long period of time NDC for Ghɛttos, any zongos, they always win. Uko area bia Ghɛttos does war. Any zongos bia almost all over the country. NDC for they win there. And they are able to sell on message. I mean, quen messages. If I saw bien is microphone. But you see, in every misery, there is a hidden mystery and there is a hidden prize. Yeah. NDC for thought say arresting of Dennis Miracles Abuaje was going to weaken the New Patriotic Party. I'm sure that's what they thought. But bad news is here. Bad news is here for the NDC. And bad news is say when they arrested Dennis Miracles Abuaje, Ghɛtto boys organized themselves. And I'm call Iyoko. I'm sure you saw some of the videos where one lady was crying, say, release my father, release my father. Yeah. Now, I thought said that was going to be maybe a one-day show, keke. I can happily report to you, Bushan Force, and I mean, Yakasano. Dennis Miracles Abuaje went back to the Ghɛttos, to thank those Ghɛtto boys, any Ghɛtto girls, They came out to show love. And when you see the reactions from the people that live in those communities, it tells you, say, they are disappointed in this NDC government and they are looking up to the NPP for hope. Yeah. And to me, I am there. Say NDC for a dear now, what she say, Omudi Chiraya Nyansa, they are going to teach us a lesson, a bitter lesson. And soon for so a rather positive to us. And as a matter of urgency, as a say yen party, yen develop a strategy, you better make the communication or Ghɛttos nemo. Yeah. Because the Ghɛttos are ours to win. Let's take NPP, yen find a message and call Ghɛttos nemo. They are waiting for us. They are expecting us. Omunim say NPP. And then the policy is bad. Why would the policy here? To me, who say we a political party. And yeah, no more there. So I'm happy the Ghɛttos are beginning to respond to the NPP. The Ghɛttos are falling in love with the NPP. I'm so happy. Yeah. Let's go and watch the videos.
Plenty of you there here way. As a day inside, they are not even not say you go come show me so much love. And yeah, moi, Akebia, Banasef are still there inside. This country we say we run democracy. Democracy simply they mean say you go talk your own, I go talk my own. We go disagree, we go agree sometimes, but everybody for speaking mind. But etodebia omo edi to me more no. O kasem na du bebia no pesa o kase na musi pe no. It is so many anso a na fe de omo pe kwan bi a chekere won saye den egu echi. Odo a mo kire me na nsa no. Se sa odo no me kase me rebe tumi afia na me boa. Enwumre me ba ha me se me pese me be ka kire mo se me damase. Damase pa. Nyankopon enhyiramo. Some say some miracles. Enya asem. Na mu nyina mu free ha. Na mu be gina street no so e support me no. Ya mi hwamo. Ade ba ko a and we hear me pa me person obi ati ase ne say won sorry keke mfifie e be just tree so nkasa and protesting my miracles say who protest keke dia mo ye no man ya mame o mo ye maye nyina se na ba ye kire bi ye de ayame a ye mfa nyew ana ye mfa nyew nua
Wow. It's a pleasure meeting you.
I really appreciate
it. I really love it. I really
guys, you showed me so much love.
I really appreciate it. And I was really downhearted to see the mess you went through. Be honest with me. Here one-on-one. It's something wrong over there.
Thank you. Thanks for the love.
I really appreciate it.
We all love you. I love you too. So we support you. We are here. So we support you. Everything. No problem. We are here. So Jabel. No one.
I really appreciate. Thank you. It's nice seeing you. Look, it's really nice seeing you in the neighborhood.
Good to see you too.
I really appreciate.
Thanks for the love.
I really appreciate it. Really. I really appreciate it. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Kamala Harris alasandi ama me machine yechi abaya no ana mami ada yechi na ne kokot ye ne kokot na lawyer kan no ana ye busa no e ma ne take the plea emrem odi ye kokota ye be busa odi bem ana odi for so be a lawyer crampa. And my very good friend and colleague lawyer here knows. So obi a lawyer crowd when you asem ko sa kwa lawyer crowd lawyer na e dey twitwaje no. How much more obi asabe oni mura ho hwe kra. Okoye ebusa no. So what tia se so on tia se. E no say ojitum wafom. Enti ho na say you convict no ba na sentence no. Monday ye hwe na ne hu no. Course amaye. Me frɛ me wutu senya west. Organizer, youth organizer, say eventually I'm say yeah secretary or no lawyer ni mapa Douglas and they represent lady no no kwano ye nyante ye ne so order Spinters police station omo Saturday abaya say ya bro no ampa or the evidence chere bruises bi an onye nya no e de chere okay eti chi no see ye hunu ano e no kwaka say I am gitum mafum. See no obiani. But to be fair, Monday a lawyer no any court no. And the lawyer no putting in a motion for her plea to be retaken. Who's that guy's name? And I want Pemboa. And one is our cattle and patron some few minutes. Or church when maybe I said the sentence and whatever. The judge never took into consideration the motion before the court. Lawyer ndia to say oh ebra oba wanim na ano no lawyer ni bia nka no yenum so say mra yi kire say si ya kire wo a ni edi kan o se ka obone a waye e de kire wo na yenya ka bonni kire wo ni asa ka say wo you are also entitled under the law so be pay legal representation of your own choice sansa yenim se mra na e kire very technical words ni bi ho ma lawyer for kwa de bia na yi say ye do asuko asakwa ni ate ase ebre bia mbra no kwa ne ye sakire mu dire bia na wusia de ente mi di kan ka say lawyer ni nya asem kwa mpo ko pe lawyer ni na lawyer ni na betu judge no how much more said you be on onim lawyer on onim law mu nse bia so I felt in appear at the Kuntia constitution e ka say yebo ko edu na say wo ye free say mpo kwa mpo no sa aboni wadu a agi say atentene for no omo hwe say ade no beyond reasonable doubt and my good friend here knows beyond reasonable doubt any say woman bibia ye ntanta Our dear wood, you know, and this will be ya consider. Also, you must be clear in your mind that any person may see where this harmony, a dear sentence, no, because and if I would will be just war. What ne a BB a punishment me now, dear man. It's also ye be a chess ampa. A dear me, ye dear. A beyond reasonable doubt. Ye prove it before me. It's Monday, debe upon the hard against what you will be. A year, fiada. Na oba court ehun ton so ka mo e de na tena mema so ni mu aye de na ba court dem ho na wagye atum sa memene mfeso wagye atum say amadi boni bi na adwuada ne lawyer ni aba say oh na no oba na lawyer ni nkan we ne lawyer ni aba ntimi sre ni plea na o take ye no me sre say e pese e take no repeat dabi guys on tiase e ho ani a sentence no